Aloha YouTube, what is up? Untitled Hawaii here, coming back at you with another sneaker mystery box for this week. This mystery box is going to be $1,175 from Sole Supremacy. If you guys didn't watch last week's episode, we did an unboxing with the guy Frugal Aesthetic. It was a very funny unboxing. If you guys didn't catch it, I would highly recommend you guys watch it. I linked it somewhere up here. It was a good one. And actually, we were talking a lot of smack about the box, saying that it was not a good box. And then come to find out, it was actually one of the best boxes that we've gotten in 2020 so far. So yeah, he was pretty lucky. So I guess maybe we'll have him back on for another episode when he comes back to Hawaii. Anyway, before we get into this unboxing, I do want to let you guys know that we do have a giveaway running still. What I'm doing is I'm giving away up to $500 in value for your dream shoe. So if you want a Yeezy, you want a Jordan, whatever it is, you guys can pick your own shoe that you want to win for the giveaway if you guys are selected. And that, I think, ends tomorrow sometime. I don't know, it's all linked in the description. Anyway, it's really easy to enter. All you have to do is subscribe to the channel, like this video, follow me on Instagram at Untied Hawaii, and also comment on the other video, not this video, the other video, the original video, which I think is like 2 weeks old now. It was linked up here and also in the description. Go to that video, comment over there your dream shoe, your sneaker size, and your Instagram handle, so I know you guys are following on that social media. The winner will be selected and announced in the community tab of YouTube, so please do not email me or like message me asking, oh, when's the winner announced? It will be on the community tab, which is why you guys need to subscribe so you guys know exactly when it's going to launch. If you have a notification bell on, it will notify you exactly when the winner is picked, so make sure you hit that bell as well. Anyway, let's get into this box, guys. $1,175. A lot of bricks in here. Maybe we should have had Christian stay for another week. Oh well, here we go. First shoe that we have out is this. Dude, what is this thing? I can honestly say, guys, without a doubt, this is the first time I've ever seen this shoe, and I pray that it is the last time I see this shoe, because dang, this is ugly. This is like a Jordan 1, but it's like on Nike React, and it's chunky. This swoosh is super weird. The wings, it's all wrong, man. It's all wrong. You know what? And to top it all off, this is a size 15. So yeah, thank you. This is a great starter shoe. I'm sure this will be sitting in my house for a very long time. It literally is one of the weirdest and most ugly shoes I've ever seen. If you guys like this shoe, that's cool. It's just not for me at all. I'm sure it's actually a little bit more comfortable than the Jordan 1 model because of the React sole, but overall, I wouldn't want to be seen wearing this thing, man. It's just too chunky. It might be the fact that it is a size 15 too, making it like look even bigger than it is, but yeah. That's the first shoe of the box. Second shoe out is a little bit better. I actually had a pair of these. This was like one of the first shoes I ever copped from Sneakers app. It might be the first, actually. This is the Jordan 5 Low CNY Chinese New Year's. And honestly, this is a pretty nice shoe. This one is in a size... It's also in a size 15. We are getting screwed on the sizes today. Does have the Chinese New Year's themes running throughout the shoe. Very nice colorway, easy to wear. Bottoms are a little bit worn, it looks like, but other than that, not too bad at all. The only issue is it's a size 15, and if you guys have been watching these mystery boxes, you guys know my whole like thing with these things are I'm trying to sell the shoes. So that's why size 15 is tough, because how many people do you know, like literally do you know, that has size 15 feet? I'm sure it's like less than a handful of people, like less than 5, literally. Anyway, if you guys do want to cop any of these shoes in this box, head over to untiedhawaii.com. All the shoes are listed for sale over there. Size 15 feet people are stoked today. Next one out is another interesting looking shoe. Oh man, I swear it gets better, guys. I hope. Man, what is this? This one is also a size 15. Oh no, this one's also size 15, and it is another kind of weird Jordan 1. Very strange. This feels like it's all like a nylon upper, which is weird. The colorway, I can't even tell what this is, man. It's like a muted like red and yellow and green, it looks like, so kind of weird. Soles are also worn, so I'm assuming that since all three of these shoes are size 15 and none of them have boxes, it all probably came from the same collector, so yeah. We're done. I'm calling it. No more of that. Thankfully, we have shoes with boxes now. This one right here is a Converse size 9. Ooh, and I think this is an off-white box. Yes. So off-white Converse, this is good. And for the shoe that we do have, it is... Okay, so we're kind of picking it up. These ones are actually pretty nice, man, and I think the value is like a couple $100, so that's pretty good. I like this one a lot more. The see-through one's a little bit too extra. You guys can check out the details on here. You guys can see that off-white branding over here, that very iconic midsole that makes it stand out quite a bit. and also Converse All-Star reversed or flipped upside down over here as well. So this one should sell pretty well, man. Not a bad shoe, and finally we're starting to pick it up and actually get some hype. Next shoe out, we have a Yeezy 350 box. This one is a size 5. Small shoe, and for this one we have a pair of Yeezy Butters. The Yeezy Butter is one of the weirdest colorways in my opinion. It's like this like light yellow, which makes it stand out quite a bit, and it also kind of looks like somebody peed on your sneaker. I don't know, if people like that, that's cool, just not for me. This one is in nice condition though. It would appear that it's been worn like a couple times. A little bit of dirt on that boost, but very, very minimal, so it's probably worn maybe once or twice. So this is another good shoe right here. Okay, and now we have a strange box over here. It shows concepts on the top, so it is a collab. New Balance, model 496 size 10. What does the New Balance concepts look like? Ooh, you know, these aren't bad. These actually look kind of cool. And they are dead stock, so I mean, that's good. Dead stock shoes sell really, really easy. I have no idea what these are called, but this is a pretty dope looking shoe, man. The SSC does have the lace bags attached over here, so it is brand new, dead stock, unworn. I'm thinking that the collab is something to do with like either a pool or an ocean or something, because you guys can see like a water pattern in here, so that's kind of dope. Also, you guys can see the Concepts logo inside as well, so hopefully this fetches some decent value. I mean, brand new, it looks kind of cool, not bad, and the box is very, very dope. I like this box. 3 boxes left, guys. This one is a Nike ACG, and it is a size 13, so another big shoe over here. Okay. This is a weird one. It's like got like a leopard kind of print, I guess, on it, and man, this is like, is this a moccasin? It looks like a moccasin. Leopard kind of print. It has ACG Nike on the back. A super, super huge sole. I don't know why this thing is so huge. This is really weird. It's the kind of shoe you just slip on your feet and you're on your way. So that's kind of neat. But yeah, I don't think this will fetch good value, unfortunately. I'm not sure how the moccasin market is, especially for like very like outlandish moccasins, but who knows? Maybe somebody will pick that up. Size 13. So we got 2 shoes left now. This one is a size 11.5, and it is a Human Race box. Not one of the good Human Races, guys. Not one of the good ones. This is that multicolored Human Race, and this one has the words Body and Earth on it. You guys check that out, Body and Earth. And it has that huge multicolor kind of vibe, so it's very like rainbowy and like flamboyant. If you guys want to see it up close, this is what it looks like. I do like how the Human Races has this like really nice stitched on wording over the shoe. You guys can check out that it does have that boost sole as well. And for this shoe, it does look like it's been worn, but very, very slightly. This one should fetch some decent value. I think because the retail is so high, it was like 200 something bucks. So it should probably still kind of be in that area, but yeah, these things are not huge sellers like they used to be. The last shoe in here is not a Jordan. It is a Yeezy 500, and it is in a size 12. So another big shoe. For this one, okay, this is pretty good. We have a Yeezy 500 Utility Black. This one is also used though. If this was dead stock, that'd be good money, but used, I mean, it's still actually a sleeper. There's some good value on these things. A lot of people sleep on the 500 model, but really, this is one of like the most comfortable shoes like ever made, in my opinion. I used to wear these like every single day for work, and just a kind of really like decent aesthetic. I used to hate on these a lot, but when you guys see it close up, I mean, it's not too bad. You guys can see over here, it has a mix of like a lot of different materials on here, suede, nylon. This Adiprene bottom though is very, very comfortable. Inside you can see that the Adidas Yeezy is still intact as well, so it hasn't been worn too much. Good value over here. I know this will fetch at least 200 to 300 bucks, maybe even more. Anyway guys, that is it for this box. We are tapped out over here. Nothing left in there. It was okay, I would say. I definitely think we did not do as good like as the last box, which was the exact same price, $11.75. This one's gonna have a little bit more tough shoes to move. That other box sold really well because there's a lot of Jordans in there. If a box doesn't have Jordans, it kind of typically takes a little bit longer because Yeezys, the demand is a little bit lower now, so it's tougher to move those shoes. However, if you guys want to cop any of these things, like I mentioned, they are on untiedhawaii.com. You guys can go over there, check out the shoes. If you guys are channel members, don't forget to use your $10 off coupon on there. Definitely saves a lot more money for you guys, and again, it is my way of just saying thank you for being channel members. If you guys aren't channel members yet, feel free to join down below. I got some big news coming up for you guys. A lot of big changes actually happening in the channel as well, so make sure you guys hit that notification bell and don't miss a video. We're gonna be starting like a new kind of like mini series because there's a big move in my like personal life that I'm gonna be making very soon, and I want you guys like on that journey with me. So for the Untied Ohana that have been sticking with me since day one, big things coming, man. Like I'm very, very proud of this, and I just can't wait to show you guys what I'm gonna be doing because it's really important for me, man. But until then though, stay humble, stay blessed, take care, and I will see you on that next episode. Aloha. Shoot!